In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Redragon product software. So what you want to do is go to Google and type in Redragon product software, and then go to their download center, which is over here on redragonzone.com. Download Redragon Zone. You want to click on it, and then over here you want to find your product. So whether it's a mouse, a keyboard, or it can also be this combo over here. You can have a mouse pad, headset, gaming case, whatever you may have, okay? So, of course, usually you're going to be downloading this for either the keyboard or the mouse pad, or maybe for the headset as well. So, what you want to do is find it, for example, for the mouse, and you want to find the mouse you have, okay? So, of course, you have to find the product first. So, just click on whatever you have, and you can just scroll down and look for it or search for it up top over here. So, let's say I'm looking for, let's say, Chroma, and then, oh, it doesn't find any. Okay, no worries. So I'm just gonna use this one. Let's say this is the one that I have. You wanna click on it, and then as you can see over here, you will have your software available. Let me just move this away. Now, once you see this, you wanna click under software where it says the name of the software. You wanna click on it, and it will start downloading for you onto your computer. What's also possible is that in some cases, you may get it inside a Google Drive, so we'll have to download that. So for example, this one, as you can see, if I click on the software, it will open up a Google Drive. You want to click this download button, and then click download anyway, because this is from the internet and it's from their official website. It is safe. You want to click download anyway, and this will then download that to your computer as well, okay? So those are the two options that's going to happen. Then once you download it, as you can see, you will see it under your downloads folder, and you want to right click it, click extract all, and then extract. And then once you've done that, you want to go inside the new folder, and then you want to click the setup.exe. And then once you click setup.exe, you want to just wait for it to open, and then once that's open, you want to keep clicking next, and then accept, and next, and then click install, and just like this, your setup will be installed to your computer, and then essentially you'll be able to use that product software. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.